I am Dr. Rupa Iyengar here. Today I would like to talk about safe motherhood. Motherhood. Women have a God's gift to give birth to a child. In itself, it is a miracle. In our country, there are women who died while giving birth, and also they don't get proper nutrition or proper care during the course of pregnancy and after the delivery. Motherhood is a choice, not a duty. Safe motherhood. Safe motherhood means ensuring that all women have access to the information and services they need to go safely through the pregnancy and childbirth. This includes education on safe motherhood, prenatal care or antenatal care, that is, care during pregnancy, and counseling with focus on high risk pregnancies, promotion of maternal nutrition, provisions for obstetric emergencies, including referral services during pregnancy or labor, and for abortion complications. It also includes postnatal care or the care after the childbirth. Safe Motherhood Initiative. The inauguration of the Safe Motherhood Initiative in Kenya in 1987 marked the beginning of concerted international efforts to reduce maternal mortality. Since that time, reducing maternal mortality has continued to be the aim of many international health programs. Over time, policies and strategies to achieve safe motherhood have changed as knowledge and understanding about determinants of the maternal health have become clearer. The Safe Motherhood Initiative aims to reduce the number of deaths and illnesses associated with pregnancy and childbirth. These are the pillars of the safe motherhood. Is a family planning or contraceptive care, maternal antenatal care, clean and safe delivery, and essentially obstetric care, basic maternity care, primary health care, and equity for women. National Safe Motherhood Day. India was the first country to declare a date as a National Safe Motherhood Day. It is observed on 11th April to raise the awareness about the proper health care of women and maternity facilities to pregnant and lactating women. This also focuses on reducing the anemia among women and more institutional deliveries, better prenatal and postnatal health care, and of course intranatal health care, which is very necessary for mothers. 11th April is a National Safe Motherhood Day. Maternal death. Maternal death is a tragedy for an individual woman, her family, and to the community. Maternal death is a death of a woman while pregnant or within 42 days of termination of pregnancy, irrespective of the duration and the site of pregnancy, from any cause related to or aggravated by pregnancy or its management, but it does not include deaths due to accidental or incidental causes in a pregnant woman. Each year in India, roughly 30 million women experience pregnancy and 26 million have live birth. Some of the WHO facts. Approximately 830 women die every day from preventable causes related to pregnancy and childbirth. In developing countries, 99% of this maternal death occurs. In women, maternal mortality is a higher, basically those who are living in rural areas and among poorer communities. As compared to women, young adolescents face a higher risk of complications and death as a result of pregnancy. We can't ignore the fact that skilled care before, during, and after childbirth can save the lives of women and newborn babies. Maternal mortality worldwide dropped by about 44% in between 1990 and 2015. As part of the Sustainable Development Goals, in between 2016 and 2030, the target is to reduce the global maternal mortality ratio to less than 70 per 100,000 live births. In India, maternal mortality ratio of India has declined by 8 points from 130 per 100,000 live births in 2014-16 to 122 per 100,000 live births in 2015-17. That is a 6.2% decline. This translates into 2,000 additional mothers saved annually in 2017 as compared to 2015. Maternal mortality statistics. There are different terms used to describe maternal mortality statistics. First, maternal mortality ratio. This refers to the number of women who die as a result of complications of pregnancy or childbirth in a given year per 100,000 live births in that year. Whereas the maternal mortality rate is the number of maternal deaths to women in the age of 15 to 49 per lakh women in that age group. The lifetime risk is defined as the probability that a woman of reproductive age 15 to 49 will die due to childbirth or puerperium, assuming that the chance of death is uniformly distributed across the entire reproductive span. Components of Safe Motherhood Initiative.